If you want to skyrocket engagement on your WordPress site, adding eye-catching call to action buttons is one of the simplest and most effective ways to guide your visitors exactly where you want them to go. The best part: you don't need to know a single line of code. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to add fully customizable CTA buttons to any WordPress post or page in just a few easy steps. Let's get started and you'll see just how straightforward this process can be. First, open up the post or page where you want your call to action button to appear. Maybe it's at the end of a blog post, urging readers to sign up for your newsletter, or on a product page, nudging shoppers toward that all-important buy now moment. Wherever it makes sense for your visitors, just head over to that spot in your WordPress dashboard and click to edit. You're setting the stage for your button to really stand out. Next, we're going to bring up the block inserter. You'll see a little plus icon, usually at the top left of your editing screen, or it might pop up right inside your content when you hover your mouse between blocks. Give it a click. This opens up a whole toolbox of content blocks you can add to your page: images, headings, and yes, buttons. Think of it like adding a new Lego piece to your page layout, customizable and easy to move around. Now in that block inserter, just start typing buttons into the search bar. You'll see the buttons block appear. Go ahead and click it. Instantly, WordPress adds a fresh button for you right where your cursor was placed. No need for plugins and definitely no custom code. This step is where the magic begins, because you're not just adding boring text, you're catching your reader's eye. With your new button selected, click on the placeholder text inside and type in your desired call to action. Popular examples include sign up now, download free guide, or get started. This is a tiny detail, but wording truly matters. It sets the tone and directs your reader's next step. So feel free to play with phrases that suit your brand's voice and your page's goal. If you're not sure, keep it short and action-oriented. Okay, we want our button to actually take people somewhere. In the toolbar right above your button, you'll see a little chain link icon. That's your link tool. Click it, then carefully paste the URL where you want visitors to land. This could be a contact form, a checkout page, your newsletter sign-up, you name it. Hit enter or click the little apply arrow to save the link. This part is easy to overlook, so double-check your URL to avoid broken links. Now for the fun part: customization. Look over to the right side of your screen and you'll see the settings panel for your button. Here you can dial in the background and text colors, perfect for matching your site's branding or making your button really pop. There's options to round out the corners with border radius, change size for more emphasis, or realign your button left, center, or right to fit your content perfectly. Spend a moment here and tweak until it looks just the way you want. Imagine you're setting up your shop window. This is what gets people through the door. And that's it. When you're happy with your new call to action button, don't forget to save your work by clicking update if you're editing an existing post, or publish if this is brand new content. It's a good habit to preview your page too, just to see how the button appears to your visitors. With these easy steps, you've added a professional-looking, clickable CTA button that's ready to drive more interaction on your site, all without touching any code. If this helped, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have questions or get stuck anywhere, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And if you want more WordPress tips like this, don't forget to subscribe for the latest tutorials. Thanks so much for watching and happy editing.